Store YouTube, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm gonna just be doing a little POV drive for y'all. Haven't really done a POV in a long time. Yeah, I haven't really done a POV in a very long time, so I figured why not throw the head mount on and do a little POV for y'all. Your boy is starving, so I'm gonna head back and get something to eat real quick. I was just doing some homework, so before we do though, I need to adjust my seat. I need to adjust my seat back. I lost one of my seating positions. There we go. That feels better. Y'all, we are so close to getting monetized. We are like, I think 60 something subscribers away, man. I appreciate all the new subs, man. All of you new supporters, bro. Welcome to the channel. I do E39 content, but I also do just car content in general. Man, that truck is loud. Yeah, I just do car content in general, so hopefully y'all do enjoy all the new posts that are gonna be coming out soon. I appreciate all you new subs, man, and the new support has been crazy, bro. I've definitely been more active with shorts now, so hopefully y'all been tapping in and seeing those shorts that I've been putting out there. Just been trying to switch the content up. Also, if y'all do not follow my socials, man, please follow the social medias. Follow all of them at TrueKJ_. TikTok at TrueKJ_, Instagram at TrueKJ_, and then Snapchat also at TrueKJ. I have not started yet on Snap. I haven't been posting that much on Snapchat, but I have been very active on TikTok and on Instagram, so make sure y'all definitely tap into those. But yeah, every time I throw the head mount on, people look at me like I'm crazy. Like, when people see like somebody with the head mount on, which doesn't look that bad, mind you, I'm just show y'all what it looks like. If y'all can see in the mirror, I don't know if y'all can see that, but it doesn't look that crazy. But some people, I guess, aren't used to seeing people who like record videos, so I don't know. Wow, you see how close she was to me? Oh, another thing that I meant to talk about in this video. I've seen a lot of comments about whenever I said I was going to be selling my E39, or whenever I said I think I'm going to sell it. And a lot of you guys really do not want me to sell this car. A lot of y'all don't want me to sell this. So I don't know. I know that I still have time, you know, to think about it. It's not like I'm finna go sell it right now, so I still got time to think about it, you know, and whatnot, but we'll see, man. I don't know, guys. Like right now, I don't think some people have been here for the whole journey. Some people haven't been here for the whole journey, like the whole restoration process. And I've seen a lot of comments telling me, hey, this is normal stuff. Guys, I know this is normal stuff that happens. I've already restored the whole entire car. Everything's already been replaced. New fuel lines, new gaskets, new mounts, new everything, new seals, new hoses. Everything that you could think of has been replaced on this car. It's just now stuff is starting to get back old again, because I've been daily driving the car, like I said, for 2 years now, or 3 years now actually. So things are starting to break again. You know, this is all, you know, common stuff that happens with these cars, but it's just, I want to get into something newer, just for the daily driving aspect. I want something that I'm I want something that I can also drive that's newer, you know, and I want to diversify myself. I don't want to just stay with the E39 content. I want to be able to do other cars as well, other content with that as well. So yeah, I definitely want to be able to diversify myself. So I don't know, y'all. I'm thinking about still keeping it, you know, and keeping it as my second project car. But also at the same time, I really think that it might be wise for me to sell it, just because I think it's time to get into something newer, but we'll see. But I also have to look at it from the business aspect, you know, like keeping this car, is this really sensible for YouTube, you know? Like, are people really gonna gravitate towards this car? Because not a lot of people have it, and it's not very, people can't really relate to this car, or not a whole lot of people can relate to it because it's not a really common car. But at the same time, people can, like, you know, kind of get that nostalgia of like, hey, yeah, this is a classic BMW. So I don't know, we'll see, man. I've been dwelling, you know. I think if I do move into something, it's probably going to be more towards the summertime. So we'll see, man. I am glad that you guys are enjoying the E39 content though, because I do love this car. At the end of the day, regardless of if I sell this car or not, I do love this car at the end of the day. So, but anyways, enough of that, enough of selling the car. Let's just enjoy it right now in the moment. And now that I'm looking, y'all, these WeatherTech mats have came in clutch while this like winter, I don't even know what you want to call it, winter storm or whatever you want to call it, has been here, and all the salt on the roads, man. Look, I don't know if y'all can see under there, but y'all can see over here, these have came in clutch way better than my carpets. My carpets would have been destroyed. And y'all got to think, I went 2 years without having these, so getting these was like perfect. I'm so glad I got these. But yeah, I'm gonna fast forward to when I'm actually back on the highway, and get some more pulls and clips for y'all. It's probably gonna be a short video, not too long. Yeah, it's probably gonna be a short video, not too long. I just wanted to, you know, pull out the camera and get y'all some content, just because I do want to stay consistent. That's one thing I've been working on, is staying consistent with posting. Got my food, had me a little sandwich, nothing crazy, so finally feel good. Now I'm headed back to where I was at, but for this part of the video, I'm gonna just be quiet and I'm gonna just let y'all hear the engine, you know. So hopefully y'all boys enjoy. Like I said, I just wanted to give y'all a POV just so y'all could, you know what I'm saying, see the car, you know. And also because I really didn't have anything that I could do because we were kind of snowed in. So yeah, I'm gonna just let y'all enjoy, sit back and enjoy, and then in the next clip or whatever, I'll just end off the video. I was not expecting this much traffic. I'm getting a lot more traffic than I thought I was going to. Man, I thought I was gonna be able to give y'all a little bit more than that, but I was gonna go try to find like an open lot and try to do like some snow drifting, but I couldn't find anywhere. I mean, by the time I was actually able to get out of the parking spot that I was at, everything was pretty much plowed. So I was like, okay. Man, it's even traffic right here. Dang. Alright, y'all, I'm probably gonna end this video here. Hopefully y'all did enjoy this video. I know it was short today, but I needed to get something out to you guys so that I could be consistent. But I also wanted to give you guys something that you love, and I know that you guys been liking the POV content, so hopefully y'all did enjoy. Definitely make sure that y'all like, comment, and subscribe, man, and turn on post notifications so you never miss an upload. Like I said, I am active on my other social medias as well, so make sure y'all go follow all the socials. The links will be in the description down below, just in case you don't want to go type all that stuff in. So yeah, like I said, Instagram at TrueKJ, TikTok at TrueKJ, so make sure y'all definitely go follow up, because y'all will see exclusive content. Oh, G80, nice. Dang, G80 with white buckets. Or not white buckets, white comfort seats, Silverstone interior. It's fire. And that's I think that's an individual color, right? That frozen. But yeah, hopefully y'all did enjoy today's video. Like I said, links will be in the description down below if you don't feel like typing in everything with all my socials. Instagram and TikTok at TrueKJ, and then Snapchat at TrueKJ as well. I am going to be starting to post on there as well. So yeah, love all of you guys. I love all the new supporters. Road to 500K, and I'm gonna catch you guys in
new beginnings on the cusp. Not too old to adjust. Old dog, new tricks. Remember, I was just a pup. Something dirty in my cup. Clean soul, good karma is a must. Still my shooter in the cut. I was stuck inside a rut. Played the game, made bank, move G. Anything to get a buck. You won't find me in the club. I'm in the lab trying to sharpen up the sword, swinging blades at these scrubs. Flock like bugs to the light. Yeah, right.